turbo welder, y'all.
Got my ass picked up, goddammit.
Yeah, we glue our street tires.
Man, his street tires sound like they biting. Damn, Yello Belly hooking, ain't it?
Yeah?
Damn. Ooh. Yello Belly biting a little bit tonight, y'all.
Oh my God! Oh my, he's turbo!
Oh shit, it got turbo.
turbo.
Fuck, I didn't even notice that.
I didn't even hit spool up. They got that silent turbo.
Oh shit. Oh, I didn't actually.
Zoom in like this. No boost!
Scandal! Let me guess, y'all don't drink hot chocolate, huh? I'm the only one. Uh-oh, here comes some with a little Camry. Okay. Sound a little healthy. That way. Gets the win because left lane red lighted. Ain't that something? Hey, look out, since you still building a Mustang, get a TKM sticker and NC for a lamb cam to test on the stain. And some prom shit that they venture with Midway. It good to 1500 horse. With your game and macking ability, you can make that Mustang kill shit. Nobody can make faster than what they can build. Oh yeah, I ain't never heard of them. Inbox, let me see what's their name. TK, I'ma look into them, man. But you know, I'll be the forgot by the time I end this stream because so much be going on. Message me, man. Send me a whisper. Let me whisper in your ear. I got a little cam you might like to hear. Made by TKM, man, they going real fast. The Lamb Cam. Okay, okay. Don't tell everybody, wait a minute. Oh, that's another person. They might know something. Anyone else buffering, or is it just me? It's just you. Okay. Oh, they got a Caprice like, man. It's me and you, ooh, baby. It's me and you, just us two. Ooh, baby. Hey, y'all heard Yello Belly trying to hook up, y'all. Y'all been cleaning the track, man? Or you ain't did nothing like you usually do?
What?
It's standing a little stickier today, man.
Prepped it today. We got some more prep today.
Man, quit lying. Y'all ain't did nothing extra. Huh? Did they do something extra? Do you believe they did something extra? Okay, you got a little goose game, man.
Oh, we got a Caprice for sale coming tomorrow.
I know, I'm gonna have it up there.
Silver one, baby.
Hey, y'all.
Silver one, I got it.
Y'all interested in the, for all my subscribers? Let me see, man, who are we? Oh, Twisted Soul, you in here, ain't you? Twisted Soul, let me know when you in here. Break 19 one time. Twisted Soul, tell me what's on your mind. Okay, hey.
545.
I got access to another Caprice. You know, the one like everybody, the one like I got that everybody, they always be talking, man, I be looking for one of them things, I can't find one. This and that. Well, look, attention in the pits. We have a 2012 gray silver with the interior in it, not the plastic. So, hey, I'm thinking, you think I should raffle it, or how should I do a giveaway?